let's get straight to it. Let me find. Alright, so today I'm gonna insinuate some trend lines because there was a trend line trade I took this week and it worked. So let me show y'all exactly what I did. So y'all know I trade order blocks. So I took this order block right here. Hold on, let me make sure. No, I'm tripping. It was this because this was shooting up, and when it broke down right here, it broke the trend line. So that's where the trade came about. Yeah. Okay. So we had this right here. Okay. This is the trade I'm in. We broke the trend line right here. We've been buying all week. More buys. Let me clear this up and give a different pair. We can do UJ. Let's break it down. So I would say for the week we're in a range. Drop down to the daily. The daily is currently still on all the power from this order block. So we're going in buys. The 4 hour is going in buys. Everything is running off of this order block. So we're on the 4 hour. Scoot this over. So you see how I broke it down on the 4 hour. Alright, this is UJ. So we already broke down all our daily time frames. 4 hour, 30 minute. You would take the buy right here. Why? Because you grabbed from the order block right here. Everybody knows what an order block is. Y'all know why I trade order blocks. All you have to do is wait for it to bounce right here. After it did all this, all you have to do is wait right here. And look, your trade took off perfectly. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This is a quick thrown together. Today was my daughter's birthday, so it's kind of late. 9:45. I'm tired. We're gonna break down one more chart just so I can give my best Bitcoin. I've been wanting to look at Bitcoin. All right, now I've been wanting to look at Bitcoin for a while. Let me break this down. Now I'm up. Hold on. So the weekly, we're in buys. We see that. Daily buys. What order block is all this pushing off of? Where did it touch? Right here? Right here. Right there. That's where. I hope y'all are paying attention. So this order block right here, obviously you're seeing all the sales start taking off right here, like shooting down. That means banks are right here to sell. So once it broke above this area right here for this order block, I know banks are right here. Put the rectangle clear across. Wait for it to break up above here. This was an easy, right when it touches, shoot above here. These are things you can hold. Look how perfect to the touch it is. To the touch. Alright, y'all. I'm not going to go into too many details. I hope y'all understood and really don't even care what I'm saying. Just go strictly off of what I just showed y'all. Alright. Peace.